So I decided to create an AI influencer and then made money with her on TikTok. Now this AI influencer looks like a girl, acts like a girl, and even talks like a girl. The reason why I wanted to try this was all because of this video right here.
I'm just saying, but there are no two hands that can do what this foot massage is doing to my feet right now.
She was just sticking her feet inside of a foot massager while eating some popcorn. And you want to know how much money she made? $342,000 in sales. 300 grand of a foot massager. And you want to know why? It's because of girl power. Girls have an advantage on TikTok. They're usually the ones spending the most money. So I wanted to make an AI influencer to replicate this so we can make some dough as well. Now this was only possible because of TikTok Shop Affiliate. So that allows us to use this influencer to pretty much promote products on TikTok. And every time that she got a sale, we made money. So we're going to go into the battlefield now. We're actually going to get some nails, get some bracelets, and we're going to create an AI influencer. The goal of this challenge was to see how much money this girl could make if she just posted a couple TikToks. And for just starting out, we actually made some pretty good money. So I started off by going to Target and we grabbed a bunch of different nails, and the goal of this was so that our fingers actually looked like a girl. You don't have to go this crazy with it. I kind of looked like a weirdo when I was shopping, but it's really going to add to the AI effect. On top of that, I got some bracelets, and now we were ready to actually start making this AI influencer. So to start the challenge, we have a TikTok account, which we're actually gonna go ahead and convert into an AI influencer. We're gonna record some clips, edit the clips, and then actually post them and see how much money we can make. But the key here is we need to look like a girl, because in these videos, we're actually gonna be using our hands. So let's make it happen. So we went ahead and secured everything that we need to look like a girl. So I guess girls wear these, they're like 10 bucks at Target. So we're gonna put all these nails on my fingers and hopefully I look like a chick. But then the voice, it needs to sound like a girl too. So that's where we're gonna use AI and really make this full thing go full circle. Oh, I actually have to glue this stuff on? The question is, how do I get these off after? Because I swear to God, if these things rip my nails off. No, I messed it up. Oh, now my fingers are sticking together. You know, you gotta do what you gotta do to make the money. Now we're talking. Wait a second, I only needed to do one hand because I'm recording like this. Oh, I didn't think about that. We got some of these little scrunchy things, so I'm gonna stick some on my wrist. Yeah, we'll put them right there. Yeah, that's what girls do, right? How many of these things do they have? Don't they have like 50 of them? I don't even know why. Boom, yeah. Do I look like a chick? All right, so we have the nails on. We have the TikTok account. Let's actually go ahead and start recording some products. So this is the first one. I think it's pretty decent. I have an idea. This is the neck pillow. Second, chip bag sealer. This thing's amazing. Boom, this one's a hot seller. This is probably my favorite. This thing is an egg frying pan. Solves a problem, and that's actually a common theme among all of these things. Each of them solve a problem. Actually, here's a little sneak peek of what it's gonna look like.
They made a pan that's specifically for cooking eggs. So
Now to make the account actually seem like a girl, and obviously it's AI, we need a good profile photo. We're not gonna be stealing and catfishing from random people online. We're gonna make a photo using AI. So we're gonna use a program called ChatGPT-4, and you can find this on Google. And we're gonna come up and click this button right here, and this will allow us to create a brand new photo. It's pretty dope, just watch. So I typed in create an ultra high definition 3D image of a woman. You can also put like the background in there, so I'm gonna say with a beach and palm trees. We want the dimensions to be 1,000 by 1,000. That's exactly what we're gonna type, and boom, we just paste it, or excuse me, send it, and then ChatGPT is gonna create us that image in a couple seconds. Just like that, we have an image of a girl on a beach. It looks pretty realistic, I'm not gonna lie, that's pretty dope. Now the cool part is if we don't like it, right, we can just regenerate right here. Click on that button. So we can actually save this by clicking this button, and then we can add it on TikTok as the profile photo. I'm gonna create a couple more and see which one I like the best, but yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. All right, I just look like an idiot doing this. We have the account pulled up, ready to go. I got this account a few months ago, and I did it using the methods that we talk about in TikTok Mastery. My boy Beans just bought a car with the money that he made from TikTok Shop. We got a ton of other students in there making bread, so if you do want to join, link is in the description. But let's dive back into this. So we have the account pulled up using some of those methods, so let's actually change the name first. Something like sexy. You think people would like? What about Janiqua? Miss Janiqua. Or Shaquilia. Yo, Shaquilia, that might be it. It's available. All right, we got Miss Shaquilia on lock for the actual name. Oh, I can't change that? All right, that's fine. All right, for the profile photo, I got this one using AI, so we're just gonna use this. Yeah, looks good. All right, Miss Shaquilia, let's go. So we could probably make the photo look a little bit more realistic later, but for now, this is decent. We got Miss Shaquilia, and yeah, let's just go and record the first video. So we're actually gonna record this on our phone and then upload it to TikTok. So let's actually go to the camera app, go to video, and all we need to do, Let me turn on the flash too. All we need to do is just record some clips, and then we're gonna add in the AI voice after. It's gonna be fire, trust. It's a banger. Oh, shit. Oh, gross. I got the egg all over the, damn it, not the nails. Listen, we all love cooking, but let me tell you, the TikTok moms hop all over this stuff, and that's our target audience. So if we can really show off how amazing this stuff is, you kidding me? We're gonna make a ton of money. Once again, the hardest part is actually getting the TikTok account. There's a way to do it with 0 followers before. It was completely patched. So if you wanna learn the new methods, once again, in the description. So we're gonna record here for 10 to 20 minutes, just bang out this product, and this product. So yeah, let's do it. Just a disclaimer, you don't need the nails and the hair ties and all that stuff. You can just do this with just your normal hands. And you can also do a dude's voice too. That's the thing. You don't need to do a girl, but I'm doing a girl because girls convert a little bit better on TikTok. So now we got 3 videos already recorded, ready to go. It took maybe 15, 20 minutes to make. We're gonna go over to the phone now and we're gonna download some apps. This is the first app that we need. It's called Text-to-Speech with AI. And this app is gonna allow us to get the AI voice. That way it seems like someone that's actually an influencer, right? We don't even need to do anything. We just record with our phone and then they do the actual voice. So we got that app, and then we also need CapCut. Yeah, it's this one right here, CapCut Video Editor. Now that we've downloaded the apps, we have everything that we need. Let's actually go to our notes, and we're gonna write a script for the video. Now you can actually use ChatGPT to get a script using completely AI pretty much, but I recommend like you actually do it and you create the script, because this is what's gonna sell people, and the best salesmen are not robots, it's humans. So we start out with the hook, then we go to the meat and potatoes, and then the call to action at the end. We talk about all this in TikTok Mastery. You guys know if you're already in it. And you might have to go back to the videos that you like actually recorded to kind of get some ideas. So like I recorded this. This will be like, oh my God, I've been using this pan completely wrong, blah, blah, blah. Let me actually turn on the, why did I put on nails, bro? What am I doing? It's just a reminder, you can do this as a man too. Like you can actually do a male's voice, you don't need to do a girl. But once again, girls just convert so much better. Boom, we have an entire script. So we're gonna go ahead and copy this, and let's just put this inside of 11 Labs. So we'll go back, 1,500 character length, that's what was wrong. All right, now we can paste it all. There we go. Now we're talking. Let's actually see if there's another voice. Let's see if there's one a little bit better. Matilda, Mimi.
I always used to cook eggs in a normal pan until I realized I was doing it all wrong.
Yo, that's kind of cool. All right, we're gonna see how that is. All right, we're gonna share the audio. Let's save it to files. And we saved it to files, just like that. All right, so now we got CapCut. We're actually gonna upload the video into CapCut. Let's, so we're gonna find those videos. Let's see it. Look at that. All right, so we got all the videos. We're just gonna add those. Bada bing, bada boom. We got everything. Let's actually add the audio too. So click on Add Audio, go to Sounds, and then we're gonna come over, click on Device, select from Device, and boom, we got our audio right there.
I always used to cook eggs.
So you see all these little pauses, right? We're just cutting those out. So it's gonna look a little bit better after, right? So we go here, click on it, split, go to the end of where it was, split that, perfect, and then we drag it back over, just like that. I think we're good on the audio, so let's give it a listen.
I always used to cook eggs in a normal pan until I realized I was doing it all wrong. Apparently, they made a pan.
So the audio is perfect. Let's actually cut up the videos to make it match with what we're saying in the audio. Okay, so we're just gonna go through, we're gonna keep deleting things we don't need, cutting it down.
I always used to cook eggs in a normal pan until I realized I was doing it all wrong. I'm so happy with mine, but they don't have many left in stock, so I'll leave the link right here if you want one too.
We just created our own AI chick. That is crazy. We got the nails in there, we got the product, high quality video. Don't even get me started on the voice. It's just superior. This is just all around amazing video. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and export this video. What did that take? 10 minutes maybe? 10 minutes, we edited the video, recorded it. That's a whole video ready to post. Excuse me. So let's actually post that first one. Oh my gosh. Yo, I'm going down. So we're gonna post that first one. Just go into TikTok.
I always used to cook eggs.
All right, we're gonna add text that says, "You've been cooking eggs the wrong way." That's a good hook. Look at that. And we'll add that in for the first couple seconds there. All we gotta do is add in the cover, so how to cook eggs the right way. Click on save, hashtag TikTok shop. We'll do hashtag cooking, hashtag breakfast, and hashtag egg. All right, there we go. Now let's add in the product. Remember, if you want to do this part where you're actually adding the product, you need to have an account. It's also enabled for TikTok Shop Affiliate. So if you want to learn more about that, link is in the description to TikTok Mastery. All right, that's the one. There we go. And we have the product. Boom, look at that. So now the video's good. Let's actually watch the final thing. And this is our AI influencer, Miss Shaquilia.
I always used to cook eggs in a normal pan until I realized I was doing it all wrong. Apparently, they made a pan that's specifically for cooking eggs, so I had to try it out. You just crack your egg inside this little circle, but I just left the egg in there for maybe 5 minutes, and it came out so cute. It's literally perfect for breakfast sandwiches, or anything you can imagine. And apparently, you can also cook hamburgers in this thing. I love it. They actually just put these on the TikTok shop a few days ago for a really good deal. I'm so happy with mine, but they don't have many left in stock, so I'll leave the link right here if you want one too. I always used to cook eggs in a normal pan.
And remember, there are so many parts of this video. The entire script is very strategic. We have the hook at the beginning saying like, yo, you're doing something wrong, right? I used to cook eggs like this in a normal pan. I've been doing it wrong this whole time. Spiking their emotion, getting them intrigued. Meat and potatoes is in the middle, talking about the emotions, how you feel about it, the cool features of it, showing it start to finish, leading up to the end result, right? And then the call to action really gets them in. So once again, if you want to learn how to do all three of those in the best way possible, we have 14 hours of video content. For like an hour a day, you just post a couple of these AI videos with your own AI influencer and boom, you're making money. You don't even need to show your face or your voice, just your fingers. Anyways, let's post this video. Let's make some bread. Bada bing, bada boom. Fast forward about a week later, we've posted what? Like 7 videos, averaging 1 video per day. Before we actually go into the numbers, let's look at what videos perform the best. And it looks like these 2 videos right here. Right, both of them over 2,000 views. Now these videos were pushed a little bit higher than the rest, so we're gonna figure out why these videos did well and actually how we can replicate this.
Still use rubber bands or clips on chip bags. You'll fall in love with this bag sealer. You just take the sealer and press it over the opening on a chip bag. It uses the perfect amount of heat to seal the bag in seconds. It's amazing.
Yo, I look so stupid with these freaking nails, dude. Why did this take off the most? Well, first of all, we had the text on the screen saying stop using these. Right, hitting on something that's very relatable to people where they just use like a hair tie or a rubber band or something. And I pretty much say, stop doing this, which a lot of people are going to watch because they're like, yo, wait, I do that. And then right after I show the solution, what they should be doing, which is this thing. Right, which they're probably curious now, like, what is this? Okay, I'm doing it wrong. What is this? I'll give this video a shot. And then throughout the middle of the video, this is where I really showed off how the product works, showing it in action, real time, with the ASMR chick in the background. And we're essentially appealing to the TikTok moms, right? People that want to buy stuff for their family, for their kids. They want to take care of the family. So they want to find these little tiny things that will actually help them. So I think that's why it really took off. Not only did they trust the AI because it sounds like a real chick, we got the freaking nails on. We went all out. You should have seen my girlfriend when she walks into my house and sees like nails all over the place. She's like, who the hell was here? I have to sit there and explain, no, babe, it's an AI. She's like, yeah, bullshit. We haven't hit a viral video yet, but that's keyword yet. It's going to happen eventually as long as we keep posting and we keep finding products, learning from our mistakes, learning from the things that are actually working. Eventually a video will pop off. So let's actually take a look and see how much money we made. Yep, so that's the video. We actually click on the results of the video. So that specific video sold 10 items total, which is not bad. We sold 10 of those little freaking bag sealers, and that's about $105 in total revenue, right? So how much of that is actually profit? Estimated commission, you can see it's so small at the bottom, but about 20 bucks profit off of that one video. So that's not bad. I'll take it. So in the last 7 days, we've made about $143 in sales and 26 bucks in commission. The goal is we keep posting on this page for a month, and if a video really takes off, I'm talking 100, 200,000 views, maybe even 1 million views, you know, that's where the conversion rate is going to be insane. And what I'm talking about is seeing results like this, right? This takes time to build up, but this is one of the pages that I run, and you can see this was like last week. We had a video really take off and hit almost 250,000 views. So imagine we can have a video like that but on the AI page. The cool part about AI is you can come up with a script beforehand and you don't even need to talk. You're having AI talk for you, which is really cool. But yeah, if you guys want to see where this challenge goes, I'm going to keep doing it for a couple months. I'm just going to see how many videos we can have that actually pops off. I think it's pretty cool. So if you want to give it a shot, make sure to join TikTok Mastery in the description and subscribe for part 2 of this challenge. We're gonna see if we can make $1 million using only AI. All right, maybe that's a stretch, but let's just see how much money we can make. All right, take it easy, y'all.